Hello, in this video we'll go through the basics of recording and editing audio. First, we will see what items are needed to record an audio file, how to do it, and then how to do basic edits, trimming audio, cutting it, combining two audio files into one. There are many ways to record and edit audio files, but you'll always need two things, a recording device and editing software. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to record audio on an Android phone and use Audacity software to edit it. On your phone, find Tools and choose Recording. Then press the Start button and start recording. If you want to pause, click on the pause icon. If you wish to continue the same recording, click the Start button again. If your audio is finished, click Done. It will automatically ask you to save the recording. Specify the title of the file and choose OK. Once it's done, you can find it in the recordings library. Now, in order to edit the audio file with Audacity software, you need to upload it to your computer. One of the ways to do it is with a cable, but if you do not have one around, you can send the file to your email and retrieve it from there. To do this, press and hold the selected audio file. Multiple options appear. Choose the Send one and select the channel to send your file. In this case, we choose Email. The file is automatically attached to an email. You just have to specify the recipient, which could also be yourself. Add subject and send. Now, you can easily download the audio file from your email to your computer. As mentioned, we will use Audacity, a free and open source digital audio editor and recording application software, which you can download from the internet. Once you have Audacity opened, you have to import the audio file you want to edit. Go to File, Import, Audio, find the file you want to edit, and choose Open. Your audio has been imported to Audacity. You can listen to it by clicking on the green arrow. If your audio sound seems to be too low, you can change that by selecting the audio, clicking on Effect, Amplify. If you want to lower the original sound, move the arrow to the left, and if you wish to make it louder, move the arrow to the right. If you wish to trim the audio, mark the part you wish to remove and either press the Delete button on your keyboard or press the Scissors button on Audacity Tools panel. Similarly, you can remove any part from the middle of the audio. Just mark it and click on Scissors. If you wish to combine two audio files, you have to repeat the import procedure for the second file. A new track will be created. If you play it now, both files will be playing at the same time. If you wish to add one at the end of the other, copy one of the tracks, paste it in the first track in the needed place, and then close the unnecessary track. To save the new audio, click on File, Export, choose the format, usually MP3, and specify the title and the location of where you want to save it.